Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Elementor tips and tricks. Elementor is one of the most powerful page builders for WordPress, and mastering a few key techniques will help you design stunning pages quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website dashboard by logging in with your admin credentials. This is where all your site management happens, and it's your starting point for building and editing pages with Elementor. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all the tools you need to create professional-looking content. In the left menu, click on Pages, then select All Pages. This will display a list of every page currently on your website. From here, you can choose which page you want to work on, locate the page you'd like to edit, and click the Edit with Elementor button. This launches the Elementor editor, which is where the real magic happens. Once you're inside the Elementor editor, you'll notice the interface is split into two main sections. On the left, you have your widget panel, and on the right, you see a live preview of your page. This drag and drop setup makes designing incredibly intuitive. Use the left panel to drag widgets like heading, image, or button directly onto the page area. Simply click and drag any widget you want to use and it will appear instantly on your page. This visual approach means you can see your changes in real time, which speeds up the design process significantly. Now here's where customization comes in. Click on any widget you've placed on the page, and the left panel will update to show all the settings for that specific element. Here you can adjust the text, change colors, modify sizes, and fine-tune every detail to match your brand or design vision. For example, if you've added a heading, you can change the font, adjust the alignment, or even add animations. This level of control ensures that every element on your page looks exactly how you want it. These basics cover the essential tips to get you started with Elementor's drag and drop interface and customization features. By mastering these simple steps, you'll be able to build professional pages quickly and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.